Good morning, everybody. It's Miss Kelly. Today we're going to go over the sounds the letters make. So I'm going to ask you which one is the one that says the sound, and then you point to it. All right. Which of these letters says ah? Ah. Can you point to it? If you chose this one, you're right. A says ah, like in apple. Ah. Good job. Which one says duh? Duh. This one says duh. It's D. Duh, like in dog or dad. Which of these letters says G? G. G says G, like gum. G. Which letter says J? J. J says J, like jump. All right. Which one says This letter says M says like in mouse or monkey. Which letter says P? P. If you pick this one, you're right. P says P, like in pop or popcorn. Which one says S? You know which one makes that sound? That's right. S says S, like in snake. Which of these letters says V? Can you pick it? This one says V, like in violin. How about these? Which one of these says X? That one's kind of tricky. Do you know? This one says X. It's a letter X, and it says X like an X-ray. Good job. Okay. Which one says B? B. That's right. B says B, like in ball. Which one says eh? Eh. If you chose this one, you're right. E says eh, like in exercise. How about which one says h? If you chose this one, you're right. H says h, like in horse or happy. How about the letter that says K? K says K. Like Kelly, Miss Kelly. K. Which letter says N? Can you pick it? This letter says N, like in nickel. Which letter says qua? Qua. Q says qua, like in quack, quack. Q says ka. T. Oops, I almost told you. Which one says ta? Ta. Can you guess? Which one do you think? T says ta, like in tummy, tummy. Which letter says wa? Wa. Point to it. If you chose this one, you're right. W says wa, like in wagon. All right. Which letter says ya? Ya. This is Y. It says ya, like yo-yo. Good job. We're almost done. You guys are doing great. Which one of these says ka? Ka. It's this one. C says ka, like cat. Which one of these say f? F. It's this one. F says f, like in feather. Which one says I? I. If you chose this one, you're right. I says I, like inchworm. Which one says Can you choose? This letter says L, like lollipop. Which one says ah? Ah. O says ah, like ostrich. This letter says And this was our letter of the week last week. Do you know which one says This one, R says like rabbit or run. Which one of these says If you chose the U, you were right. U says like umbrella. And the last one, guys, which one of these says Z? If you pick this one, you are right. Z says Z, like zipper or zebra. You guys did a great job with your letter sounds today. Go have some fun and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.